What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Projector Man from Skibidi Toilet. Let's begin today's lesson at the top of our page with the bottom edge of the head. We're going to start all the way over on the left side. Let's draw a straight line going all the way across towards the right. Now I want to round out the side of the head, so start back on the left, going out, and then bending that in. Let's close off the top with another straight line. And then we'll give the head some perspective. So we'll show the top edge. Let's start from the top corner, and let's up and back with a short line. And we'll close off the back with a straight line going across. Let's add a large circle in the center. So from this line, we're going to step down, go all the way around towards the bottom, and back up towards the top. And we'll add a smaller circle in the center. Now I want to add a pattern of short lines going across either side for the vent. Let's start on the top left, a straight line going out, and leave a gap and do that 2 more times going out towards the side. Now let's line this up over on the right and do the same thing. Let's do the same thing across the bottom. Draw that short line, and line that up on the right. Now we're going to go in between and add another set. So start on the left, working our way across, and do the same thing on the right. Now let's add one more set in between each row. So we'll start with the top. Now just underneath the head, we're going to add a curve from left to right, coming down and up for the collar. Now let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We'll start on the left side, then it's out, and then down towards the hip. Line this up on the right, going out and then down towards the same height. Let's connect the hips with a curve, coming down across the bottom of the belt, and then back up. Let's move up on the left side and draw that same curve for the top of the belt. Leave a gap in the center, draw 2 lines, one on the left and then one on the right. Let's trace the inside of that rectangle for the buckle. Now in the center of the body, let's move up towards the top, draw a small circle. Along the top and bottom, draw a straight line. And then from the sides, it's going to angle us down and out towards the point. Down from the bottom, go up and out. Now I'm going to trace that shape along the outside. Start out on the left, go all the way across, and work our way across the bottom. Let's add a small rectangle across the top. And now we're going to continue working our way down towards the feet. From the buckle, let's step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the left leg going out and then down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel, towards the same height. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, bend this down and then up. And then we'll round out the top of the feet. Starting from the outside, we're going to go up. Just going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and leave a gap on the inside. Just curl it back up towards the inside of the leg. Let's add a thick sole on the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Now we're going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Let's start from the left hip, bend this out, and then down on top of the feet. Now we're going to move back up and draw the bottom edge of the sleeve. Let's start halfway down the side of the body. So starting right here, bend the sleeve going out and then up. Let's line that up on the right, going out and up. And then from the sleeve, we're just going to angle this up and in towards the head and just bend that in. Now I'm going to go back to the inside edge of the sleeve and draw the arm, bend this out and then down towards the wrist. Now this character has some large hands, so we're going to start from the wrist, draw the thumb, coming in and then down. Just round out the tip of the thumb. I'm just going to follow that same curve going up and then out towards the hand. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. I'll start from the top, bend this around and then in. Just round out that finger. I'm just going to follow that curve, going all the way around the outside and then up. Now we're going to layer 2 more fingers in behind. Let's start from the outside, bend this out and then up. And then from the side, draw the 3rd finger going out, bend this up and then in towards the wrist. From the outside corner of the sleeve, let's step in. Just going to bend the outside of the arm going out and then down towards the outside of the wrist. Let's add 2 small projectors on the shoulders. From the corner of the sleeve, let's step up, angle this up and out, go up and in towards the bottom of the head. From the top, angle this back down in behind the arms. Let's go to the center and draw a small circle. And we'll trace that circle along the inside. Now from the outside of the wrist, we're going to draw an oval. We're going to go out in an angle, come in, and then back down towards the wrist. From the outside of the oval, draw a straight angle line coming up and in, bend this around and then down in behind the arm. Now from this curve, we're just going to draw a straight angle line coming up towards the sleeve, and then round out the back. From this point, draw a straight angle line going up, go across, and then back down. Along the bottom, draw a square, going up, across, and then back down. Now I'm going to add some thin armor plates coming down the side. Let's start from the top of this line. Just going to extend this down. Curve this down and in. And go back up underneath that oval. Let's leave a small gap, step in, draw another straight line going out, flatten off the end, and then pull that back in. Now along the top, we're just going to angle this up and out, go across, and then pull that back in. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw the Projector Man from Skibidi Toilet. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.